Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I need to pick up the kids in school. The school is done. So windy and very cold. I'm already wore the sweater. The wind is so cold. But it's cloudy today. The sun is. Today, the sun is I need to pick up the kids. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion.
Ate.
Hello kuya.
Sorry. Kasi may bumakit ng tumatawag dito. Ako nag-start.
Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Here. Why you running? Why you running?